Is it blinking now?
Yeah.
Okay, we're recording again.
I'm so much shorter than Marla that I don't want us to have it crooked, so I'd rather like terrible.
I guess you're back to like number 27.
He was
Our maybe 29. Shares the picture. Rod said he was welcome to do that. Yes. We I was like,
Jacob, where's your purple and gold
the best
scarf?
picture was of you and that GoPro. I'm not lying.
You have to
I know.
The best picture.
The one condition is that you wear the scarf. Yeah, come stand behind.
My peeps.
Lee, quick!
No.
Come get in the picture! Goofball!
Hey, we're marching. We're marching. Oh, that's
Got it? Alright, let's go.
awesome. Y'all got the kite? Y'all good?
Sarah, we need to be up with her.
Y'all may want to carry it that way so you're not marching into the wind with it for right now.
Tara, tell me how excited are you? Right?
I forget I'm GoPro and I got to make sure I get all the band. Yeah. Whoops, there's a pole there. Go band. Whoop, whoop. It's not cold. Extreme close up, extreme close up. Extreme close up. Extreme close up. Extreme close up. I'm the big whiny baby. There he is in the flesh. All right. There you go. We're marching in Hawaii. All right. Isn't this exciting? Aren't you excited? It's barely cold. Oh, that's a bummer. I have really big ones. Big mitts. Oh, really? Well, how long did you live here? Well, that's not long enough. You gotta live here. No, yesterday wasn't near as bad.